Good afternoon, my technical drawing and design class. So lately we've been having some issues getting our AutoCAD files pulled in the from Frame, which is our virtual machine. So I'm making this real quick video to show you how to do that. What I'm going to do is most likely you're already on the start screen here. This is again right inside of Frame. This is Autodesk AutoCAD 2020, and I'm going to create a new document. Select my template here. I have AutoCAD, which is fine. Open. And it will then open up a new document for me. So the first thing I want to do is save this document so I have something to work with. And it's always going back to the same location. So I'm going to go up here to the top. We have the one that has a disk with a pencil on it. That is Save As. So I'm going to click that. And it's asking me where to save it. Very, very, very important. Save this to your Google file stream. If you do not save it there, then you will not be able to retrieve it, most likely. So what we want to do is we want to go right here where it says Save In. It says Documents. This is not what we want. We want to go to this drop-down menu and go to Google Drive file stream. Now I'm hitting the Google Drive file stream and I will go to My Drive. And this is the different folders that I have going in here. I would suggest making a folder called Tech Drawing. It really is an easy way for you to locate all your stuff. So I'll just double click in here. And my first document right here, it says Craig Dorr, because the way I want you to save your files is your last name, underscore, and then the project that you're working on. So for this one here, I'm going to create one called, because that's me. Actually, I'll do capital C. Craig underscore example. Because I'm just giving you an example of how to open file. I could put the .wdg in, but otherwise, if I just leave it blank, it will automatically put it in there for me. And I hit save. Now, if you look up here, it goes to G, which is my Google Drive file stream. My drive is in the folder, and there is my file name. I also see my file name right here. So that is how you save to the Google Drive file stream. Very important. Now let's say you've already done something here. I'm going to put just a quick circle in here. Something like this. Very good. And I'm going to, if I click save, it'll go right back to the same spot. Or I can also go to save as. Very good. And here it is again. And I have a quick preview. Everything looks good. I can just save over top of it. And it's going to say, do you want to replace it? Yes, I do. And I've now saved it. So that is how you open a doc or create a document and save it into the Google Drive file stream. Now I'm going to show you how to retrieve it. What you want to do is go up here to the folder where it's open, click open, and then I am going to come over here. Most likely if you're starting for the day, you're going to be right here. It's going to say documents, look in. Again, not where you want to be. You want to be in the Google Drive file stream. This is very important. So I'll click on the documents up here, and now I'm saying I want to look in the Google Drive file stream. I want to go to my drive. I will go into that tech drawing folder that I created. I want to select my example, and that's what I want to open. I can see the door one here if I wanted to. This is a different project, but this is the example I want to open. I will click open. It created the tab again, and here is my file. So, highly important, Google Drive file stream. This is really what I wanted to show you here. This is how you create a file, save it in the Google Drive file stream, and how to also retrieve it when you're ready to work for the next time. I hope you enjoy.